Hi guys! Today we're opening Puppy Place Disney. And this is the shop. These are all my boxes, and I brought one. My friend missed the snackers. So let's get started. Looks so cute. Okay, first I'm gonna start with this one.
The Disney Happy Places are probably Aria's favorite.
Yeah.
She's been looking forward to some Rapunzel and some Belle accessories.
Yeah, the playsets. Well, I really want to get the characters set. Oh, I said it was like some. You watch them all the time.
And they come in 3 surprise decors inside, plus a tile.
Yeah, let's see who this one is. Oh, we got Rapunzel.
And the first page of the story always tells you what set you're getting them from.
We got Minnie first, and now we're getting Rapunzel. More Rapunzel has this book. Oh, we got a pink.
A purple
Tassel.
A purple tile.
Towel. Then look at it. It goes, Mr. Snickles.
So here is the checklist. So there's more Minnie Mouse home decor stuff, and then the Rapunzel home decor.
I see some stuff on the back.
So the Rapunzel set's really big because it's new to this set.
Mm-hmm.
And then you've got the Belle stuff.
Mm-hmm.
She's really hoping to get the game pieces.
Yeah. I love them.
And then there's a few more Cinderella pieces. And then here are the limited editions. So comment below and let Aria know which one of the limited editions you would like to get. That looks like the sticky note set. It's a little pedestal that the sticky notes fit into. And they have Rapunzel's signature sunflower. And then it looks like she got the sun clock. Sun clock's pretty cute.
TikTok.
Because it has little Pascal's face on.
Yeah, that looks so cute. You know Pascal's Rapunzel's friend because he loves him. He likes to paint with him all the time. Can you help me, Mom? Why my mom? Oh.
And that's the bulletin board. So this looks like a set that would go in Rapunzel's office.
Yep.
And it looks like you can even stick the sticky notes right there too.
Yeah, that looks so cool. I wonder who this one is. I wonder Aria.
I'm looking forward to the Ariel set.
And I'm getting forward to Cinderella set. Because it's mice on the pack. Maybe I can't get mice. Oh.
Who is it?
Rapunzel.
More Rapunzel, yay! We don't have any Rapunzel. So see, right inside the box is what she's trying to show you. She's a little fast. She's a little excited. It shows you what collection you found. And another purple tile.
Yeah, I was a little excited to do everything with Pascal and stuff. I was so excited. But Mr. Snickles liked them.
And just word to parents that haven't opened Happy Places before with their kids. Be really careful because some of the stuff is really small.
Yep.
It'll shoot out of those packs.
Yeah. If I can see it, it's really tiny. It is really tiny, this set. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is.
Oh my goodness, that is tiny.
Oh my goodness.
It's a ball of trash.
Trash, look.
It is super tiny. I could see you accidentally throwing this away. But it's a ball of trash.
But it is not allowed in an office. Okay, I can't open it. Oh, hello, silly. What is this? Oh,
there's one more piece in the bag.
Push, push.
So it looks like she got the trash bin, and the dustpan with brush. So there's the trash can, or the trash bin. And your little dustpan.
You said it didn't come with 3 of them. You said it came with these 2.
It does. Sometimes you get a little more than 3. And there's.
And we're gonna get duplicate.
We're really lucky with the Happy Place home collection.
Yeah.
Whether it be Disney or the normal set.
Who is it?
Who is it?
Is it Rapunzel?
More Rapunzel, how exciting!
Guys, it's like a little storybook. It says, what's this?
It says, you have found Rapunzel home decors.
That's cool. Maybe we'll get an Rapunzel set for this.
Yeah, maybe they know that you're opening that too.
Maybe sea boxes, give me more Rapunzel stuff.
Golden Gleam wants more Rapunzel stuff. So it looks like it must be all purple for Rapunzel.
Okay. Blind bags. Blind bags. Blind bags. Well, we're trying to get Pascal in his dress.
That would be pretty cool.
Well, Cinderella likes to spend time with her mice, and all the princesses like to spend time with their friends. Well, Rapunzel loves to dress up Pascal.
Mm-hmm. Oh my, I think I know what this is. This is the one I was hoping she got.
Yeah.
This is the magical flower and pot. So this is the flower that saved Rapunzel's mommy. And gave Rapunzel the special hair
never
colors.
seen a new one. Well, this is a bag of seeds so who can grow that flower with her mom. Oh, I think I know who is it.
Who is it? Oh, we got a Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Oh, I hope you get the plush toy of the
Whoa.
mice and the slippers. So Cinderella has another purple tile, but it's a little lighter. I would say this is more black.
Oh, we got a little purse.
Oh, you got a bag.
Bag. Okay.
A bag with a slipper on it.
Here's something good for the school. Ah! I don't take it out.
That's the compact.
A compact.
It is very tiny, so these would definitely, you'd have to be careful with little brothers and sisters. There's a little compact. It doesn't open.
Ooh.
And that's a little purse.
A little purse. Mom, I can't put it on this.
Yeah, it won't all fit. So she's either got to take her compact or a wallet or a purse.
I think this is Minnie Mouse. So pretty.
I think you're doing a little bit of peeking.
I like peeking. It's Belle.
Oh, Belle.
It's Belle, guys.
So here.
I love her. Ooh.
So guys, she's hoping to get the game castle, game pieces, and dice. So if she gets it. So Belle came with a blue tile. That's really pretty.
Yeah, who loves blue? Mom, what the fun is so have? Oh, I know. Like Chip and Lumia and Classbook and Mrs. Potts and Chip. That's her best friend. Her helps him. They helped her get back her papa because he got stolen by Beast. And then Beast is really not a beast. He is a beast.
Yep.
Someone turned him into a beast, and now
Because he wasn't so nice.
and when Bella kisses him, he turns into a twin. Ooh,
Looks like you got a candy jar. So it looks like a teapot.
looks like this is hot.
And some rose candies.
And then close that. Looks like Mrs. Potts. Like with some tea.
So here is the teapot candy jar with the initial. So the last piece that she got was this little tiny candy that can go on the plate or in the jar. So this is her last box to open.
Okay. Okay. I wonder who I got. Ooh, a bell.
More bell. Let's hope for the game castle.
This one. Get two. Oh, this is a big one. You can open it.
Oh, that's cute. That's the ice cream tub, the cone stand, and the ice cream cone.
What's this? What's this?
Little ice cream
It's
jar.
like they can sell ice cream together to Belle and Beast.
It's an ice cream jug. It has a little rose on top and a little scoop out. And a little stand that says yummy. Because ice cream is yummy, right? You love ice cream?
I love it.
And then an ice cream cone with pink ice cream with a rose on top.
Yeah, I love ice cream. I love it. Now let's open our big puzzle set. Hey, look at all that stuff we
There's
need.
some cardboard crafts. And then there is all the stuff. So let me show you up close what it all is. Pretty cool. Looks like an easel, a painting, a sink, some brushes, sponge, paintbrush, paint palette, soap towels. Not real sure what this would be. Maybe a rack, some paints, a bucket, a little table, and then that's the exclusive golden gleam.
Come on. And it comes with cheese! Cheesy!
It does look like cheese, but there's sponges.
They kind of look like cheese. I love cheese. I love cheese. I love cheese.
There's the sink.
Uh-huh.
There's the painting of Pascal, her best friend.
Or you flip it backwards as a towel. And her hair.
Oh, that's so cute. It says best date ever. Flip it over and show them. That's super cute. So Pascal's on the front, and then best date ever with her in her tower with her hair down. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then there's
And
an
a
easel.
flower.
And then there's a bin. It looks like Rapunzel's
Yeah.
dress. And it comes with two tiny little brushes. The box that says brushes, and it does open. Oh, pink inside. She can put her brushes in there if she wants. And then this is what Aria was calling the yummy cheese. It looks like Swiss cheese. But they're little sponges and then some paper towels with a little design on. That's cute. They actually spin. You actually take them off. Yeah, so they can come off. Her soap. And her paint palette. And there's her supply rack. Put all the goodies on. Thought the little beanbag was all tattered up. It's actually got little sun patches on her, flower patches.
That's so cute.
And then here is a bucket. I guess you can pretend that's paint. And then there's some paint.
Well,
And that's all. So Ari's going to show you. And real quick, this is Golden Gleam. Her hair is braided up like the little girl's braided Rapunzel's. Has yellow flowers in it. And there she is.
Now let's gonna wash our hands. Okay, now let's go paint. Get our paint brushes. Now let's go open it. Let's go take the big one. Now let's go take out the big one. We'll close it again and then put that in. Right there. I'm gonna put this over the hole. Now, okay, and now I'm gonna paint a paint. That's go still. We're gonna show you in a minute when we're done painting it. Let's go show you.
So Golden Gleam's going to paint you guys a picture. Comment below which picture do you think Ari's going to help her paint. The Pascal or the best date ever painting. Alright. Alright, Golden Gleam, turn it around and show the class what you painted.
I was painting at home. Now let's go show you what I made.
It looks like, even though you can see best day ever, it looks like she painted a picture of Pascal for you guys. Ta-da!
It's a little wet, so we shall let it dry.
Yep.
Now he's gonna wash the floor.
And while she continues to play, it looks like it came with a tile and some kind of cardboard crap.
So wash the floor, wash the floor.
You must have been messy. You got some stuff all over the floor.
Now I'm gonna sit down on my chair.
And there's some purple floor for you. And there's a doll stand. All of the little happy places come with stands. Hey guys, I'll be honest with you, not real sure what I'm supposed to be making here. Maybe it's a box? Who knows? Maybe you need tape?
I think you need tape. Golden Green's light. You need tape.
Golden Gleam, I think I figured it out.
What?
It is one of those folding accordion door type thing, or room dividers. So she can put that up and she can hang all of her beautiful art on. So once you fold it up, it has a castle on it. It says,
Wipe the floor.
I got a dream, has an R for her name, or her initial, and then a picture of Pascal.
I'm gonna paint. Let's go paint. Let's go show you in a minute. Let's go show you in a minute. And I'm painting Pascal. Now let's get her paintbrushes. And this.
She's gonna paint you the best day ever picture now.
No, not.
Okay,
No.
she's gonna paint you a surprise. But while she's doing that, I'm gonna show you the other ones you can get. You can get Minnie Mouse. There's another Rapunzel one. There is Belle's Toasty Treat theme pack. And then there's Minnie Mouse with the waffles. And this is the one that she just opened for you. There's Cinderella in the bedroom. And the Belle dining party or dining theme pack. The Belle theme pack, this one, and the Cinderella and the Minnie Mouse, they've already come out. She's already got those last year. The new Minnie Mouse, Golden Gleam, and the other Rapunzel and Belle set are brand new. All right, show it to everybody what we painted.
Okay, now let me get my brush box. That kind of looks like pencil case.
It says, hold it up real close. It says, best day ever.
Bye guys. Like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which. Comment below and tell me which one's your favorite. Was this picture or the Pascal?
Bye guys.
Bye guys.